Dear viewers, welcome to another video on Google Sheet tutorials. In this video, we are going to understand how to import data from a different Google Sheet to a new Google Sheet. In this example, I have a Google Sheet called Google Sheet Tutorials, which is my master database. And I have to take data or I need to import data from Google Sheet Tutorial to my destination Google Sheet, which still now I have not titled. So it's an untitled spreadsheet. I have to bring it to this particular Google Sheet. So how do we do this? So the formula to do this is I can type is equal to import range. And once I select import range, the first information that I need to provide is the URL of my Google Sheet. That is my master database Google Sheet. In this case, my Google Sheet tutorial is my master database. And whenever you copy URL, you need to copy from this location. That means you will have https docs google.com spreadsheet D. So what you have after D is the URL of this particular Google Sheet. And you need to copy up to this particular mark. You don't have to copy this edit portion. You just need to copy this part. This is the URL of your Google Sheet. So I copy this information, bring it to my destination sheet, and I paste it here, and I close it with another double quotes. So I have given the URL of my master database Google Sheet. Now I press comma. The next information that we need to provide is what is the sheet from which I need the information. Here it is a case sensitive column or case sensitive information. So it is always better to right click, rename, copy this instead of typing it, because we may end up doing some typo error or we may end up using lowercase instead of uppercase. So it is always better to copy and paste rather than type it. Okay. Once I give this information, I have to hit a exclamation mark. Then I need to give the column range, the column range of the master database Google Sheet from which I need data. Here I need column A till column D. So this is the information that I need. So I have to give this information, close it again with a double quotes, and then I can close the entire formula with a bracket. Now what I can do is I can hit enter, and when I hit enter, you will get an error message like this. When you click on this error message appears first time when you try to import data from a master database to a new Google Sheet. You will first get this kind of an error message. And why do we get this kind of an error message? This is to allow access. What we need to understand is in this particular Google Sheet, I'm going to now click allow access. And when I click allow access, you will see the data getting imported from the master database to the destination Google Sheet. Now, for this to happen, we need to be always clear that in this particular Google Sheet, I have logged in, or the editor of this particular Google Sheet is this particular email address, vinodrrk@gmail.com. I have editor access to this Google Sheet. And I should also have editor access to my master database Google Sheet. If I don't have editor access in both the Google Sheets, this particular function cannot work. So for this function to work, you need editor access in both the Google Sheets. Then if you allow access, you will get this information. Now, this is only for the first time. When you want to do this import function one more time on this particular Google Sheet, you may not require the allow access option again. The information will automatically come in. Let's try that. So I'm going to delete this. I'm going to click on import range. And I'm going to provide the URL like I have done before. Then I'm going to press comma. So this is the sheet from which I need the information. I hit an exclamation symbol, and then I type A colon D. I close this and then close the formula with a bracket. Now if I hit enter, you will find the information automatically flowing from this Google Sheet to this sheet. Now, what we will do is we will edit this with some information. Now, if you come back and check here, you would have found all those information automatically flowing from that sheet to this sheet. Friends, I hope this video was useful. In our upcoming videos, we'll also see how to import data from two different master database into a single destination sheet. Here we have seen how to import data from one sheet to another sheet. In our next video, we will see how to import data from two different sheets to the same destination sheet. And we'll also see in the upcoming video, the following video, how to use the query function to import only selected information, not all the information from the database, but only information by applying some filters and copying only required information. Hope this video was useful. For the other videos, kindly subscribe to our channel. See you in another video on Google Sheets tutorial. Thank you.